In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the email trash bin in Gmail. Many of us rely heavily on email communication for both personal and professional purposes. Over time, your inbox can get cluttered with emails you no longer need, and often they end up in the trash bin. However, it's important to note that these emails still take up space in your account until the trash is emptied. Today, I'll walk you through a straightforward process to ensure your Gmail account remains clean and organized. First, let's start by accessing your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're on the home page, enter your email address and password, then click on Sign In. You should now be in your inbox. Understanding the layout is crucial, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the different sections of your Gmail account, such as Inbox, Sent, and most importantly, for today's task, Trash. Now, look for the More option underneath your existing labels in the left-hand menu. Click on this to reveal additional folders, including the Trash folder. Once you've located it, click to open it. The contents of your Trash folder will appear in the main area of the screen. These are the emails that you've deleted but haven't yet been permanently removed from your account. They stay in the trash for 30 days before Gmail deletes them automatically, but we're going to do this manually. At the top of the page, you'll see a message if your trash folder has emails awaiting deletion. Under this message, or on the menu bar, there should be an option saying, Empty Trash Now. Clicking this will remove all emails in the trash folder permanently. Remember, once you've done this, there's no going back. Make sure there's nothing in the trash that you might want to recover later. If you're prompted with a pop-up confirmation, simply go ahead and confirm your decision by selecting OK or Delete. This ensures that all trash content is permanently deleted without any confusion. Take a moment to verify that the trash folder is indeed empty now. You should see a small message confirming that it's been successfully cleared. If you encounter any trouble, double-check your internet connection or try refreshing the page. Congratulations, your Gmail trash folder is now empty. Performing this simple task regularly can help you maintain optimal storage space and keep your email productivity at its best. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.